How to fix iPhone notifications not working after iOS 17 update. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is open your settings. Scroll down, open the option battery. Over here you will find the option of low power mode. Make sure you have toggle off for this option. Likewise, swipe down from the right corner of your screen. Your control center will appear. Make sure you haven't enabled do not disturb mode. Once you check these settings, now let's jump into the solutions. Go to the main page of settings. Scroll down, open the option notifications. Make sure you have enabled notification for the specific app that you are having issue in. You have to toggle on for the option of allow notifications. Heading towards next solution, go back to the main page of settings. Open the option screen time. Go to the option content and privacy restrictions. Toggle off for this option. Go to the main page of settings. Go to the option general. Scroll all the way down. You will find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Click on it. Click on reset. Click on reset all settings. Now enter your passcode over here and continue with the process to reset all the settings. Once you apply this process, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix iPhone notifications not working after iOS 17 update. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.